Blue cheese dressing is one of those classics that shows up everywhere. As a dip, a side sauce, a salad dressing, or a staple with wings. In Canada and the US, the creamy version is by far the most popular. There's a vinaigrette version, but today we're focusing on the rich, smooth, creamy style. Once you make it yourself, the way you like it, you will never go back to the bottled version. If you like the recipes and ideas we are bringing to you in these videos, please hit the subscribe button. This dressing is incredibly simple to make at home, and the flavor is on a completely different level. It's not just for salads or wings. It pairs beautifully with chicken, turkey, garlic bread, grilled corn, and even sandwiches or wraps. You can also use it as a base for dips by mixing it with cream cheese, sour cream, or hot sauce. Think of this as a versatile flavor component, not just a dressing. Before we start, let's walk through the ingredients. We're using mayonnaise for the base, sour cream for tang, and whipped 35% cream for richness. The blue cheese should be crumbled. Choose a cheese with the strength you prefer. Mild for a softer flavor, or a sharper blue if you want more punch. Green onion adds freshness. Worcestershire brings depth. Then we balance everything with salt, pepper, cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Simple ingredients, big flavor. This recipe couldn't be easier. Everything goes into one bowl. Let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour so the flavors come together. This dressing is incredibly versatile. Use on a classic blue cheese salad, spread it on wraps or sandwiches, or serve it as a dip for wings or vegetables. It's also great as a topping for grilled meats or roasted potatoes. Once you have it made, you'll find yourself using it in ways you didn't expect. Thanks for joining us. Remember to hit the subscribe button. As always, fresh ingredients, made at home, and made exactly the way you like it. Add extra heat, keep it chunky, or make it silky smooth. After all, this is your dressing, your kitchen, and your flavor. Now, go cook. Enjoy.